Hello to all of my kings and queens out there. My name is Monique Daniels, and this is my lifestyle channel. And what I do on this channel is I talk about things like skincare, hair care, weight loss, entrepreneurship, and pretty much everything in between that has to do with lifestyle. But today I am doing an unboxing, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I got a package from my supplier, one of them anyways. And this is one of the things that we get from, our suppliers that help us with, packaging our things and bottling our stuff up because you want to have that professional look. So I've been waiting for this for a while. It's been on back order, actually for months. Because of coronavirus and all that stuff going on, they had to put it on back order because so many people was ordering things to make like sanitizers and stuff like that. We couldn't get it, so I'm so glad it's finally here. I needed this. So yes. Awesome sauce. All our bottles are pretty much small. We have like 2 ounces, we have like 4 ounces, you know what I'm saying? So this, I needed this right here. These are our spray bottles. I got 80 of them, and they're wholesale, so they didn't cost, an arm and a leg if you would buy them from, somewhere else. So I really needed this. These are our spray bottles, 8 ounce. We currently have we have the 2 ounce hair growth sprays. We have another size that I just implemented. Let me grab it for you. So this is our other size, 4 ounce. Because the 2 ounce, most people buy the 2 ounce because they want to try it out, you know what I mean? To see how it works for them. But I have a 4 ounce one as well. But I know that we needed an 8 ounce one. A lot of people like, a big bottle of spray for their hair so it can last for a while. So now we finally have the 8 ounce. We needed this. And these were so hard to get, especially at the time when I was, doing my research and trying to find a company to supply us with, something like this. Everybody was out of stock. Everybody was out of stock. So I am so glad to have finally got these. It took us months to get. Now they have them in stock, like in abundance, so I could get them. But we needed that. So now you see the difference. It's a big difference. A big difference. So now we could actually offer the 8 ounce hair sprays. So glad for that. And actually glad for myself too, because I use the hair sprays. That's why my hair is growing so much. I use the hair sprays. But I usually use the small ones. But anyways, yes, so happy for that. I will put the supplier down in our description, for those business owners that are looking for, supplies like this and they can't find a supplier. This is a good supplier. They're very quick. Whenever they send me my stuff, they send it like the next day. They send it right after I order it. They process my stuff. They're very good about that, and I really like that about this company. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to show you guys this. I gotta go find a spot for this now. All this stuff I have. But yes, so look out for our 8 ounce hair sprays. We're gonna have the sage, we're gonna have the lavender. I'm definitely gonna do a rose because rose helps your hair grow too. So for people that like that scent, we're gonna have a rose one. You know what I mean? So definitely look out for that. It's coming soon, very soon. It'll be in our Etsy shop. All right. And check out our Black Friday sales, guys. I'm trying to tell you right now, we marking stuff down 40% every Friday in November. And look, our prices ain't gonna be that low all the time. So you gotta take advantage of that. I'm trying to tell you, because once our stuff go up, it's gonna stay up unless it's a holiday or something like that, or a special occasion. Our prices is gonna stay at regular price. So take advantage of that while you can. But yeah, with that being said, you guys, everybody have a blessed day, a blessed evening, whatever time zone you're in. And always remember, you are a king, you are a queen, and step into your greatness. All right, bye-bye now.